Hi friends, this is Shweta from Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to see about half subtractor and full subtractor. Generally the half subtractor and full subtractor comes from combinational circuits. Combinational design procedure. The circuit truth table explanation can be done by using the logic gates like XOR logic gate and AND gate operation followed by NOT gate. This is the block diagram of half subtractor circuit which contains two input and two output. The main objective half subtractor circuit can be built with the two logic gates, namely NAND and XOR gates. The circuit gives two elements such as difference as well as they borrow. The input and the output variables of half subtractor is the input variable is A and B and the output variable is sum and carry. The truth table of half subtractor is explained here. The Boolean expression which contains K-map for difference and the borrow with the values containing from truth table. This is the circuit diagram of half subtractor. To make a circuit we need the following list of components. 2 input AND gate, 2 input XOR gate, 1 input NOT gate, 2 input OR gate, IC trainer kits and patch cards. Without delay, let's take a demo. We need 2 toggle switches and we need 1 XOR gate, 1 AND gate, 1 NOT gate, and we need the output controls as 2 bulbs. For better understanding, attach a label box as naming it as A. The second switch is named as B. The first output is named as difference and the second output is named as borrow. Let's give connections. So connect A with XOR gates first input. Then connect A with NOT gates input. Now connect B with XOR gate second input. Then connect NOT gate with AND gates first input and connect B with AND gate second input. Now connect XOR gate with the difference output and connect B with borrows output. Now apply the values of truth table. When both an A and B are 0, the difference and borrow will be 0. When A is 0 and B is 1, the difference and borrow value will be 1. When A is 1 and B is 0, the difference is 1 and the borrow is 0. When A and B are 1, the difference and borrow will be 0. This is the clear explanation of half subtractor circuit. Now enter into full subtractor. Combinational design procedure. The two half subtractor put together gives a full subtractor. The first half subtractor will be C and AB. The output will be the difference output of the full subtractor. The expression AB assembles the borrow output of the full half subtractor and the second term is differed from the output of first XOR gate. This is the block diagram of full subtractor which contains 3 input and 2 output. The main objective of an full subtractor is a combination of AND and NOT gate produce a different combined gate named as NAND gate. The XOR gate output will be the difference bit and the NAND gate output will be the borrow bit for the same inputs A and B. The input and output variables of full subtractor is the input variable is A and B and the output variable is borrow and difference. This is the truth table of full subtractor. The Boolean expression which contains the K-map for difference and borrow, which the values are representing from truth table of full subtractor. This is the Circuit diagram of full separator using 2 half separator. These are the components required to make a full separator circuit. Let's take a demo for full separator. We need 3 toggle switches. And 1 XOR gate here, and 1 NOT gate here, and 1 AND gate here, and another 1 NOT gate is required for the circuit. Also an XOR gate is also required, and another 1 AND gate. And we need a 1 OR gate. Okay, then we need the output controls. 2 light bulbs. Likewise, use a label box and name the first switch as A and the second switch as B and the third switch as borrow in. Now name the outputs as difference and another output as borrow. So let's start giving the connections for full separator. Connect the first switch A with XOR gate's first input and connect A with NOT gate input. Now connect the B with XOR gate second input and also connect it with AND gate's second input. Now connect the NOT gate output as AND gate's first input. Then connect the borrow in with the XOR gate's second input and connect it with the second AND gate's second input. Now connect this XOR gate with the second NOT gate input and connect this NOT gate with AND gate's first input. Now connect this XOR gate with the another XOR gate's first input. Now connect this AND gate's output as first input of OR gate. Then connect the AND gate's output as OR gate's second input. Now connect this XOR gate's output as with the difference output. Then connect the OR gate's output with the borrow. Now apply the truth table values to check the circuit connections are correct or not. So let's check it. When both the inputs are 0, then the output is 0. When borrow in has 1, the difference and borrow is 1. When B is 1 and C is 0, then the difference and borrow will be 1. When A is 0 and B and C are 1, then the output is borrow will be 1. Likewise, A, B and C are 1, then the difference and borrow will be 1. It will work for all the values are substituting in truth table. This is the full subtractor circuit. Thank you.